Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm so excited for. It is using the new Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush collection. For me it was like a long time coming. I just feel like we were all kind of waiting for this for like years now. So I think that is why I'm so excited for this. So I'm gonna try to show the PR box. So this box is insane. I just like the fact that whoever thought of this is like a genius, because this is like the cutest thing ever. So the box comes like this. It just basically says Morphe Jaclyn Hill. It has Jaclyn's profile there, so gorgeous. And then you open it. Oh, there's something fell out. You open it. And it's like, hi queen. Oh my gosh. Like when I first got this, I was like, this is insane. Like, how gorgeous and stunning is this? What I'm pretty much thinking I'm gonna do in this video is do a full face tutorial using all the brushes and then let you know what I think afterwards. So we're just gonna jump into the tutorial. So far I am loving this foundation brush. Now compared to the Morphe M439, I do notice a slight difference. So the bristles on the Jaclyn Hill brush, the GH03, are just a tad bit longer, I think. And then these are like a little more short, so that makes it a little more denser. That's one thing I noticed. It's like this one's more soft to the touch because of the longer bristles, but I feel like it blended out my foundation really nicely, so that was good. And I'm just gonna use the Born This Way Too Faced concealer. And I'm using the GH08 brush. And a lot of the times I'm not even sure what brushes are for, but I just use them for whatever I like to use them for. So this is not what it's supposed to be for. Yeah, I don't know. I like blending out my concealer with brushes like this. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the GH10. It's like this little chiseled brush, just to really get in and start cream contouring, which I'm excited for because I need it, girl. This brush is small enough I can even go ahead and do my nose a little bit there. I'm just going to use another brush real quick just to blend it out. So I use just to quickly set my whole face. Well, mainly the areas that are like lighter, not where I bronzed or whatever. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty, the Pound Cake one, and this big brush here, that's the GH02. And I'm not baking, I'm just gonna quickly set like my foundation and stuff. I love doing that with like big brushes like this. I feel like it's just an easy step to do, just to really make sure that your makeup lasts. Now with the slightly slanted, the GH04, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 8H palette. Then for blush, I'm gonna use the GH06. And I'm just using the Gold Rush blush from Benefit. For a quick highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and use the GH05. I like using more denser brushes to highlight. This isn't so fluffy. I mean, it's fluffy, but it's not like super dense. But I enjoy using this because I want my highlight to be poppin'. So this is the 8H palette still here. Oh, hi. So see, when you use a denser brush, it's just gonna put more highlight obviously on your skin. I'm gonna go ahead and use Peanut from Morphe. It's a liquid lip. So what are my thoughts on these brushes? You guys, these brushes are amazing. They're beautiful. If you are a Jaclyn Hill fan, you are going to love this collection. You're gonna love these brushes. And I feel like once you have these brushes, it's like you're not gonna have to buy brushes in like years. Like Morphe brushes last so many years. Like I've had some Morphe brushes for years and they do not shed on me. I wash them, I abuse them, I beat my face with them, and they are amazing, amazing quality. I've never had an issue with any Morphe brush that I own. If you are someone who is starting out in makeup, you are trying to become a makeup artist, trying to build up your makeup kit, or you are just someone who is getting into makeup and you're like, I don't think I have good brushes, this is definitely something that will be awesome for you because this is a bundle and it is just easy. You can just get all your brushes in one and you're gonna have brushes for any type of look you wanna do and stuff like that. Miss Jaclyn Brush Boss. This is a little paper that came with the PR kit because I wanna just go over like the prices and stuff. For the Master Collection, so that's basically the whole collection, it is $165. So you get the eye, the brushes, and then the blinged out silver case that I have somewhere in here, which is a really beautiful case. Or you just do, for $58, the Face Master Collection, which is all of the face brushes. One thing I will say, I feel like face brushes are more easier to find, like different options, do you know what I mean? But for me, it's really important to have good eye brushes, especially if you are into shadows. Like I'm a shadow girl. I love putting eyeshadow on, and for me, having good eye brushes is everything. Like I need to have good eye brushes. So the Eye Master Collection is $42, and that's for 8 custom eye brushes plus the bag that it comes in. So these brushes are amazing. They're beautiful. But Morphe brushes have been that way for years, for me anyways. So it's not like I'm like, oh, okay, like I completely notice a difference because Jaclyn Hill's name is on them. I'm just keeping it real. Like Morphe brushes have been bomb for me for years, and they performed as bomb as they ever have, and you know, the old ones did as well as these new Jaclyn Hill ones. So all I'm trying to say is, like, just because they have Jaclyn's name on them does not mean that they are like a different breed of brush, at least in my opinion. I use them, they're gorgeous, they work amazing. But my Morphe brushes have always done that, if that makes any type of sense. These brushes are stunning, they're gorgeous, they perform beautifully, they blend out beautifully. So yeah, if you can get your hands on these, I would definitely recommend them. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure to subscribe if you have not, and I will see you guys in my next video.